Welcome to Job Tracker video. Here, you can add job by pasting the link and clicking on the fetch button. We recommend you to use our Chrome extension for better feasibility. Here, once you get the job details, you can have a look into it and edit it as per your needs. Once you add, and if there is any application history based on that company or the job, it will be shown on the screen like this. You'll be notified if you're applying to the same position. Again, here you can also check the application status history and also the details. Here, as you can see your existing application status history as well. You can also see the company statistics and see how many people have applied for the job and what is the current statistics for this. You can set notes for the job. In this case, I want to apply for the job tomorrow or on Monday. And now I will get a reminder on Monday to apply for this job. You can also click on visit website and it will take you to the link of the job that you just added. This is to make sure that you can see if the job is active or not. You can select the range of how many jobs you would like to see, and also in cases if there is salary mentioned in the job, you can also see the salaries of the jobs as well. You can click on check fit and see if you are actually eligible for the job or not, which is a LinkedIn paid feature, but here you get it for free. In addition to this, you can also change the status of the jobs by clicking on the edit button and updating to the status that you want to. Apart from this, you can create your resume based on this and also create cover letters. To know about these sections, please refer to their respective tutorial for more information on that. Thank you.